Deploying RDS host services and installing the Horizon agent. We are going to install this agent on both the servers which we have just created. I already logged into the machine and I have set a file in my local drive. I'm just opening the agent setup file. We need RDS mode and there is desktop mode. There is difference, right? If you want to publish the application, you need RDS mode. If you need to publish the desktop mode. Okay, this time we are publishing the app, so this is the RDS mode. Now when I selected this RDS mode, let's see what it is saying. The required remote desktop session RDSH role is not installed on this operating system. Click next to install. Either we can use this application, this Horizon agent application, to install this role, or either you can do it from here, add roles and features. Okay, say next, look for RDS. Okay, remote desktop services, RDS services. But simple thing is, let me tell you, simple thing is just follow this setup, right? Next, the installer will install required roles to this operating system. Click OK. Yeah, now it will do the same thing which we were trying to, we are supposed to be, add the role from the console. So it will do the same thing in the backend. It is running the PowerShell command in the backend. Next, it is done. Installation is done. Add role is done. Now it will ask for the restart. Yes. Meanwhile, I can go to another desktop machine, the server. Same thing. RDS services we need to install. If you already installed the RDS service, this message will not come up. When you say next, the agent will going to install this straight away. Restart here. Close this one. Go again in your local drive where you have put it the setup file. Open it again. Now this time, agent going to be installed. Earlier we have just added the role which is required, RDSH. Next, IP version 4. Next, instant clone. It is full, right? We are going to enable this instant over here. Okay, so in this we are this is just a full desktop, right? So say next. You have to put the connection server name, which is my WinSVR01. WinSVR01 dot local. Say next. We have to put the FQDN name, right? So just don't put the machine name. And let me try to ping as well to confirm that it's communicating with connection server. Ping. Yeah, good to go. Say next. Automatic restart, install. Go to instant, log in again. So now here also the role is installed, RDS role is installed. Now we are installing the agent. New folder, say yes. Next, IP version 4. Instant clone is needed. This feature and also for sub feature will be installed on local hard drive. That's fine. Say next. Automatic. If we do not enable this service, instant clone will not going to work. So make sure that when you're planning to build a firm with instant clone, that the machine, the client machine, not the client machine, the master or golden image should have, the agent with instant clone enabled. Okay, so if not, this is not going to work. The instant clone RDS service, RDS pool is not going to work. Okay, so make sure that while installing the agent, make sure that you are enabling the instant. Okay, now both server is ready. Let's see you next video.